In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Microsoft Edge browser on your Mac. First, we need to grab the installer from the official website. Let's just Google Microsoft Edge download. And click on the official link. Once you're on the site, right near the top, you'll see a button that says Download Edge for macOS. Go ahead and click on that. After the download is complete, double-click the Microsoft Edge file you just downloaded. You'll notice this file has a .dmg extension. An installation window will pop up. All you have to do here is drag the Microsoft Edge icon and drop it into the Applications folder. Just give it a moment to copy over. And just like that, it's installed. You can now launch Microsoft Edge using Spotlight. Since this is the first time you're opening it, your Mac will ask if you're sure you want to open it, because it was downloaded from the Internet and not the App Store. Just click Open to confirm. Now for the initial setup. If you want to set Edge as your default browser, you can check that option here. I personally don't use it as my default, so I'm going to uncheck it. I also prefer not to send usage data to Microsoft, so I'll uncheck that option as well. Then click Start to proceed. Next, if you want to bring over your browsing data from Chrome or Firefox, just select your previous browser and hit Import. Otherwise, just hit Skip. And there you go. You're ready to start using Microsoft Edge on macOS. Oh, one quick tip. Once you're done installing, you'll notice a virtual drive mounted in the sidebar of your Finder. This was created during the installation process. To keep things clean, just click the Eject button next to it to unmount the drive. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.